Discover how to build a movie recommender that not only suggests films, but explains its choices with step-by-step reasoning using LLMs. We're building a movie recommender that not only suggests films, but explains its choices step by step using chain of thought reasoning. Let's see how it works. First, we're importing the OS library, which lets us work with environment variables and system settings in Python. Now we're bringing in .env to load our secret keys, plus some LangChain tools for prompts, OpenAI chat, and parsing the model's output. Let's go ahead and load our environment variables so our API keys are ready to use securely. Here, we're setting the OpenAI API key in our environment, so the language model knows how to connect to your account. Next up, we're creating a variable called user_preferences. This will hold the movie tastes and interests from our user. Here's an example of what a user might say. They love thoughtful sci-fi, psychological thrillers, and directors like Christopher Nolan and Denis Villeneuve. Now, we're setting up a prompt template. This is where we'll tell the AI exactly how to think through its recommendations. We're defining the input variable as preferences and starting our template by telling the AI it's a movie recommendation expert. The prompt guides the AI to first summarize the user's favorite genres, moods, and directors, then pick one movie, and finally explain its choice in 3 clear steps. We're inserting the user's preferences right into the prompt, so the AI knows exactly what to work with. Finally, we tell the AI to format its answer with a summary, the recommended movie, and detailed reasoning for each step. This makes the output easy to follow. Let's initialize our language model. We're using GPT 4.1 mini with a bit of creativity thanks to a temperature of 0.7. Now we're chaining everything together: the prompt, the language model, and the output parser, so the whole process runs smoothly from start to finish. Here's where the magic happens. We send the user's preferences through our chain and get back a movie recommendation with step-by-step reasoning. Let's print out the result and see which movie the AI recommends, along with its full explanation. Let's check the output. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.